Hey guys, everybody has questions about wiring and plumbing in particular, and putting bathrooms in. Well, let me show you what we've done in this particular cabin. This is a Hideaway 199 with a full loft, and we've got a 4-foot by 7-foot bathroom. What we did is I built these two walls here with 2x4 studs and did the wiring and plumbing, and then covered it with actually leftover pieces from other bunkies and some 1x4 pine from the big box store. So if you come in here, actually don't come in here yet. Come back over here. There we go. So I've got water coming up in this wall, and it ends up kind of going two directions. It goes over here to my water heater, and then it provides hot water to the shower and the sink over there, as well as here. And all of my plumbing is sort of hidden in these cabinets, and also in this bathroom vanity right there. The only exposed piece of plumbing I have is the supply line, which goes from the vanity over to the toilet. Little piece of PEX there. Now, this was on a slab, so what I did is I actually ran the hot and cold water for the shower in the slab ahead of time, and it comes up inside this wall. Now, the benefit to putting your shower on a 2x4 stud wall that you've built up inside is that normal shower valves will fit in it. You won't have to do anything like a flush mount. Now, as far as the wiring goes, you can put some of it in 2x4 stud walls like this, but if you want outlets and so forth on your outer walls, it's going to have to be exposed. So what we've done is we just left metal conduit exposed on these walls, and we think it looks fine, actually. And so if you'll pan around here, you'll see we've got lights, we've got electricity, and there's metal. But hey, it's a rustic cabin, and that's like how it's supposed to look, right? A little bit rustic. Hope this is helpful.